Welcome to HouseLux Estate, your trusted source for all things real estate and financial freedom. We're here to empower individuals with knowledge and insights into the world of real estate, aiding your journey to financial independence. Today, we're diving into the topic of passive income, a concept often glorified by motivational speakers, yet shrouded in misconceptions. We'll be unmasking the truths and myths that envelop this attractive income stream. So, buckle up for an enlightening ride. Stay tuned as we debunk some myths about passive income. Before we dive in, let's clarify what passive income truly is. Passive income, in its purest form, is money earned with minimal activity. It's the dream, right? Earning money while you sleep, vacation, or even while you're busy with your day job. But it's important to understand that it doesn't mean no work or effort is involved. Rather, the work you put in is upfront and the rewards come in later, often in the form of regular income without the need for ongoing active maintenance. Passive income can come from a variety of ventures, ranging from real estate investments to royalties from a book you've written. The common thread? Each source requires an initial investment, whether it's time, money, or both. But once that investment is made, these sources can provide an income stream with little to no ongoing work required. Now that we understand what passive income is, let's dive into the myths. The first myth we're debunking is that passive income requires no effort. Now, that's a statement that's been floating around for quite some time. But let's get real here. The truth is, passive income is not a magical money tree that grows in your backyard without you having to lift a finger. In reality, passive income streams usually require a significant upfront effort. This could be in the form of time, money, or both. Let's consider a few examples. Take rental properties, for instance. It's a popular form of passive income, right? But think about it. You first have to purchase the property, which is a significant financial investment. Then there's the time and effort involved in maintaining the property, dealing with tenants, and ensuring that it remains profitable. It's by no means a set-it-and-forget-it kind of deal. Or let's look at another form of passive income, a blog or a YouTube channel. Sure, once it's up and running and you have a steady stream of traffic, you could earn some decent income from ads and sponsorships. But getting to that point, that takes a whole lot of time and effort. Creating content, promoting it, building a community, and so on. And it doesn't stop there. Even when these income streams are established, they require continuous maintenance. A property will need repairs and updates. A blog or YouTube channel will need fresh content to keep the audience engaged. So while the income may be passive, maintaining that income is certainly not. Now, this isn't to discourage you. Far from it. It's to set realistic expectations. The idea of earning money while you sleep is definitely appealing, but it's crucial to remember that there's usually a lot of waking hours spent working behind the scenes to make that happen. So, the no effort claim? That's a myth busted. Myth number 2, passive income is a quick route to wealth. Now, wouldn't it be wonderful if we could all just snap our fingers and watch the cash roll in? But alas, life is seldom that simple. Passive income, despite what many motivational speakers might lead you to believe, is not a guaranteed ticket to immediate wealth. It's not a magic formula where you put in a little effort and then sit back as the money pours into your bank account. Quite contrary, building a steady stream of passive income can take time, sometimes a lot of it. Think of it like planting a tree. The seed of your passive income is the initial investment, whether that's monetary, time, or both. You can't just plant the seed and expect a full-grown tree the next morning, can you? No, you nurture it, you water it, give it sunlight, protect it from pests, and with time, it grows. It might take months or even years before you start seeing fruits from it. The same applies to passive income. You have to nurture your investment. It could be a blog that you're writing, a rental property you're managing, or stocks you've invested in. These things require attention, patience, and persistence. They need to be cultivated and grown with care. Sure, there are stories of people who struck it rich quickly with passive income, but these are the exceptions, not the rule. Most people who have successfully built a substantial passive income stream have done so over a period of time, with consistent effort and a healthy dose of patience. So, it's important to enter the world of passive income with realistic expectations. Don't be disheartened if you don't see immediate returns. Remember, building passive income is more of a marathon than a sprint. It's about creating long-term, sustainable wealth, not a quick cash grab. So quick wealth through passive income? Another myth busted. Finally, the third myth: everyone can build passive income sources effortlessly. Now let's get real. Building passive income sources isn't like assembling a piece of flat-pack furniture. It's not about following a set of instructions and voila! You have a steady stream of money flowing into your bank account while you sleep. It's more complex, more nuanced, and demands much more dedication than that. Firstly, creating passive income sources requires skills. Whether it's investing in stocks, starting a blog, or setting up a dropshipping business, you need to have or develop certain skill sets to start and manage these ventures successfully. It's not a one-size-fits-all model. For instance, to invest wisely in stocks, you need to understand the market trends, do your research and analysis, and make informed decisions. Similarly, starting a blog requires writing skills, SEO knowledge, and understanding your target audience. Secondly, building passive income sources requires knowledge. It's not as simple as throwing a dart and hoping it hits the bullseye. You need to be aware of the industry you're entering, understand its dynamics, and know the risks involved. It's about making smart, informed decisions. Thirdly, and perhaps most importantly, it often requires capital. Sure, there are ways to generate passive income with little or no upfront investment. But in most cases, whether it's real estate, peer-to-peer lending, or starting an online business, you need some starting capital. And let's not forget, where there's capital, there's risk. So, is it impossible to build passive income sources? Absolutely not, but it does require effort, time, learning, and sometimes an initial investment. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, it's a journey, a process. It's about taking calculated risks, learning from failures, and persisting through challenges. So everyone can do it effortlessly? You guessed it, another myth busted. Let's recap what we've learned today. We've taken a deep dive into the world of passive income, and we've cleared up some of the biggest myths that often cloud the reality of this financial strategy. First, we debunked the myth that passive income requires no effort. Remember, the term passive can be a bit misleading. Whether it's real estate investment, stock market trading, or setting up a blog, each passive income source demands a significant investment of time, energy, and often money in the initial stages. It's only after this initial hustle that you can sit back and watch the income roll in. Next, we shattered the illusion that passive income guarantees quick wealth. While it's true that passive income can be a path to financial freedom, it's not a magic bullet for instant riches. The road to substantial passive income is usually a marathon, not a sprint. Patience, persistence, and a keen understanding of your chosen income source are critical for success. Finally, we tackled the idea that everyone can build passive income sources effortlessly. While it's true that anyone can venture into passive income, success isn't guaranteed for all. It requires a unique blend of skills, knowledge, and risk tolerance. Remember, what works for one person might not work for another. It's all about finding the right fit for you and your financial goals. The truth is, passive income isn't a get-rich-quick scheme or an effortless money tree. It's a strategic financial move that requires careful planning, consistent effort, and realistic expectations. But once you've done the groundwork, the potential rewards can be substantial. In the end, the key to navigating the world of passive income lies in having a clear understanding of what it entails. It's about knowing the myths and understanding the truths. And that's what we're here for. At House Lux Estate, we're committed to helping you make informed decisions about your financial future. So let's continue this journey together. Let's explore more truths, debunk more myths, and empower ourselves with the knowledge we need to make smarter financial decisions. Thank you for tuning in to House Lux Estate. Remember, knowledge is power. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights and myth-busting content. Until next time,